Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quad that I rebuilt. So I've been flying the, I think it was the TBS Source 1 V2 or whatever it was for almost a year with the Grinder V2 motors on it. So had an issue the other day, crashed the quad, broke the top plate on that frame. I don't have any spare top plates. So what I did have though was a new frame. So a while back I bought the QAV-S frame. I think it's the JB edition. Got this in the FPV crate. And also picked up, I don't know if you can see these, the new Grinder V3 motors. These are the 4S, so don't hate me for 4S, right? Had a chance to get it put together, taking it out for a first flight. Let's see how these new V2, V3 motors work. All right, so what are my thoughts? It's a good frame. It's a really good frame. Stiff, compact, everything fits well. Easy build, thick. What do I think of the motors? I think the motors are fantastic. I didn't do any tuning. I took the flight controller out of my Source 1, dropped it into this build, wired the motors, plugged the battery in, made sure everything turned the right direction. Didn't touch any of the ESCs, didn't touch anything in beta flight, just made sure the motors were turning in the right direction, and then came out here and flew. So that's fantastic. I love it. Flies much better. And it's 4S, I know, but they're good motors. So that's my opinion. See you guys later.